welcome to my creative channel. Today I want to show you how to make the jean earrings like this. This is from recycled denim. I believe that you have at home, and this is a simple material. I hope you like it and enjoy making it. So don't forget, like, subscribe, comment and share my video. The material that we need, of course, jean, a piece of jean, and this is the head pins, ear hook, this is a cup bead, pliers, some of pliers, and scissors. Take a piece of jean and you make a circle like this. The diameter 4 centimeters. Okay. The first step, after you making the circle, you cut and the jean you fold into two parts and you fold again. Yeah. Take a hairpin and you stick the hairpin this. Like this. Okay. You take the cup bead and you insert like this, and you cut the wire. Okay. Take a ear hook, insert here, it's very simple, and your earring is ready. Beautiful, is it? Thank you.